Alright people, so IT Good Guy signing in for another video. I'm just doing a few videos here tonight in conjunction with the Rat Tails project. I've already imported some sources right now. These are some of the sources I've imported into the project. Um, Got to get the naming conventions down. That's mostly with programming. You just have to have the naming conventions. You get this file right here to match that file, and this file right there match that file. That's the way it works. So the thing is, once I get ready to build this particular project, um, like I say, this is going to be for the Windows side. Some different things I got to import in here. This is going to be a lot of coding, guys. I'm probably looking at about a good 10,000 lines of code or more. This project going to be available on Android, iPhone as well. I'm going to include a lot of dependencies for the project. It's going to have an online chat, secure communications, the whole deal. So like I say, I'm gonna be rigorously coding this every day if I can. Rigorously, I'm gonna try to put at least 40 or 50 hours a week I can dedicate to this to get the project done. So we looking about a year. It has a lot of dependencies that I'm trying to import. So this just be for this is going to be a command line application. Somebody that actually knows how to. I'm going to make a manual for it. Make a manual as we go along as well. So the PDF manual should match the software application. I'm going to try to make this the community edition totally free. You see here, it's going to have a lot of code in here, and thanks to the open source community, a lot of this stuff is available to me. So it's going to be a lot of work, guys. So just want you guys, keep me, keep me abreast on what I should put into the project. They have a lot of dependencies, a lot of stuff I got to go through. I got to go through a lot of code, guys. Probably about a good maybe 30,000 lines of code. But I think as we work on it, I think it will get better, because these type of things, what I'm saying, that need to be implemented. I'm so tired right now, man. So just tell me what you think, and maybe this is a new way of security, new type of security application I'm working on. So just tell me what you think. See here. Yeah, most of this is going to all be ported over. This is basically made for Linux. Basically made for Linux. Most of this is made for Linux, but I can't port it over to Windows. Lots and lots of work ahead of me. Lots and lots of work. Yeah. Gonna save your sources. Saving the workspace right now. I'm gonna try to close it out and see can I come back to it. I got all kind of stuff here, guys. Look at there. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna open it back up. No, it didn't save it. What I might have to do is make a new file and then integrate the project in there. Because when I go back to my downloads, either source, and I open here, it'll open up in the IDE, but it won't save the sources. So I'm going to, man, like I say, I know my development schedule seems way off, but that's it is a lot of code. Unless I get, donations and get other people to help me with this. So they already have a main.c in either 8. So right now it's just going through there, opening up the files. Let's see what I might do is I'm gonna change that video and change the time for it because it's actually longer, and I might just keep updating it, keep making another development deadline. Okay, here is main.c. This is main for either 8. Yeah. Lots and lots of code, man. I got to go through almost every line. Look at and think about all the sources I had to go through to even get it to work. You know what I'm saying? So you guys ought to be thankful for this one. This is all on me. I got to code it, and maybe I get another programmer to. It's kind of big undertaking that I'm taking on, but this is something that I've been wanting to do. For security reasons, for tracking, stuff like that, on the individual level. So, and I'm really gonna try to donate a lot of my time to this, hoping that it turns successful. This is a lot of work, guys. Lots and lots of work. You see, I got to go through here and make a new file. Okay. Okay, that's the main file. I'm gonna do all this later. Okay. But like I said, once I get my flowchart materials, it should become easier. I got a program called Visustin. It'll go through there and flowchart it all, man. And all I have to do is integrate the code. I want to show you something, guys. This application here can help you code just about anything. I'm telling you, man, it's an awesome ass application. There it is. It's a flowchart generator. Pretty badass application, I ain't gonna lie. I've used it several times, and I wrote a couple of little small files, but that's when I was first learning about different code. But I've been feeling it here lately, man. I feel, hey, it's time to take on something big. Take on something a bit bigger, maybe bigger than my britches can. It's a big undertaking, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe when I get other programs on, I think it'll be pretty good. See, you enter that code there, put the code into the text box, and bam, you just press that button right there. It's gonna put the code out for you. That's what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna drop all that stuff into a flowchart and tear out pieces I want, keep some pieces, look at libraries. I think we should do this within a year. What you think, fellas? All right, IT Good Guy signing out for Rat Tail.